Welcome to English Engager. Hi there. I'm Lily, and I love telling stories that inspire, teach, and make you smile. Today, I've got a story that's all about determination, courage, and maybe a little bit of humor. Let's dive into the adventure of Emma, who decided to take on a challenge so big that even her friends thought she was a little crazy. But as we all know, sometimes crazy ideas turn into the best ones. So, let's see what happened when Emma decided to climb the tallest mountain in the country. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Emma who dreamed of climbing the highest mountain in her country. Every day, she would train and prepare herself for the tough journey ahead. Her friends told her it was impossible, that the mountain was too dangerous and only the strongest could reach the top. But Emma wasn't discouraged. She knew the path would be difficult, but she was determined. If I don't try, I'll never know what I'm capable of, she said to herself. One morning, Emma set out on her journey, carrying only the essentials, a map, some food, and a heart full of hope. As she climbed higher, the air grew thinner, and the cold wind made it harder to continue. Her legs were sore, and the summit seemed so far away. But with each step, she reminded herself that the greatest achievements come from pushing through the toughest moments. The only way to reach the top is to keep moving forward, she thought. Finally, after days of struggling, Emma reached the summit. Standing on top of the mountain, she looked out at the breathtaking view below, feeling a sense of accomplishment and peace. She realized that the climb wasn't just about reaching the peak, it was about proving to herself that she could face her fears, overcome obstacles, and never give up. As she descended the mountain, Emma met other climbers who had given up along the way. She shared her story with them, saying, "It's not about being the strongest, but having the courage to keep going when things get tough."
Now that the story is wrapped up, the real question is, what's the hidden lesson? Got any ideas? Drop them in the comments. I'm all ears and can't wait to hear your thoughts. Let's spice up your English with some phrases that are as powerful as your morning coffee, short, sweet, and guaranteed to get you speaking like a pro.
Set out on. Meaning, to begin a journey or task. Example, she set out on her morning walk as the sun started to rise. Face your fears. Meaning, to confront and deal with the things that make you scared. Example, the first step to overcoming your anxieties is to face your fears. Prove to yourself. Meaning, to show to yourself that you are capable of doing something. Example, she wanted to prove to herself that she could run a marathon. The only way. Meaning, the one method or path that will lead to success. Example, the only way to get better is by practicing every day.
Get ready to level up your vocabulary like you are collecting power-ups in a game, because today, we are unlocking some words that will boost your English skills to the next level. Discouraged. Meaning, feeling sad or losing hope because of difficulties. Example, he felt discouraged after not winning the game. Summit. Meaning, the top or highest point of something, especially a mountain. Example, they finally reached the summit after a long hike. Time to play word detective. Let's uncover some sneaky synonyms that will make your vocabulary as sharp as a detective's skills.
Discouraged, disheartened. Determined, resolute. Difficult, challenging. Summit, peak. Journey, adventure. Hey, clever thinkers. What's the flip side of discouraged, difficult, cold, far, and dangerous? Comment your answers below and don't hold back the humor.
Alright, that's it for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, every word you learn is another step toward becoming fluent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite takeaway from this video in the comments. Catch you next time on English Engager.